Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Avalanche or AVAX that is currently trading at the level of $77.53. So this is the monthly time frame. To some extent we're really very familiar with the price chart of Avalanche. We had a solid price increase in 2021 similar to the price charts of the major cryptocurrencies. But in the second half of November, a correction started, and this is the candlestick, for example, for December and January. Then in February, we know that the cryptocurrency market rebounded. So here we had this rebound, and now we have in April this bearish candlestick. First of all, we're in the middle of the month. This candlestick may change, but this is a small warning for the bulls because we have a bearish candlestick that at the moment covers with its body the body of the previous candlestick. That's why we have to be really very cautious. Of course, if this candlestick changes by the end of the month, for example, if the price starts increasing and the body changes, then this negative signal will disappear, or this negative sign. But of course, if at the end of the month we have exactly this candlestick or a bearish engulfing, this will be a small positive bearish signal. I mean, this will be a small bearish signal pointing to potential renewal of this correction. That's why we have to keep an eye on this candlestick. Next, this is the weekly chart. First of all, here we had a bullish flag. I will talk about this bullish flag a little bit later in the 4-hour chart, but I wanted to highlight even the last time when we analyzed this bullish flag, that if we have a look at the linear chart, within the flag, we had a sequence of lower highs or descending maximums and lower lows or descending minimums. The price has exited, at least in my view, this flag because now we have a local high above the previous one, a local low above the previous one, and the current price is above these local lows. That's why let's wait and see what happens if we will have a renewal of this uptrend because the price has exited the bullish flag. However, we have to keep an eye on the candlesticks as well. For example, here in January we had a small hammer, then a rebound, then we had a shooting star, another shooting star, a dodge, a graystone dodge. And I want to say that these candlesticks here, they had very tall upper shadows, indicating that the market was facing a lot of bearish pressure or resistance here. However, in the middle of March, a solid bullish candlestick formed. Because of this candlestick, the price has exited the bullish flag or the down descending channel. And of course, this candlestick, together with the other small bullish candlesticks, they covered the range of this tall upper shadows, indicating that the bulls were able to resist this bearish pressure and to consolidate, let's say, within this range, because now we have a bearish candlestick for the previous week. And I want to highlight that this is a bearish engulfing. For example, the bearish candlestick has covered the body of the previous one, of the bullish one. That's why here we have this bearish engulfing, and that's why we have to be really very cautious because it's a bearish sign in the short term, and probably this correction may continue unless we see a bullish formation. That's why, once again, yes, we have exited this downtrend, or we have exited the bullish flag in the upward direction. However, at the moment we have this bearish formation here. That's why we have to be really very cautious in the short term. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. We have actually three moving averages. Let's start step by step. The first one, I will even remove this flag. Let's keep it just in the 4-hour chart. But we see here this descending channel or downtrend. So let me change the visibility of this flag. And this is the last line. So this is the daily chart. Of course, if we switch to a linear chart, we still have a sequence of higher lows, but we also have a sequence of lower highs. That's why we have to be really very cautious, because it's some kind of symmetrical triangle. But let's have a look at the moving averages. And the first one is the 30-day moving average. At the moment, it is moving sideways, so it confirms the consolidation. Since the beginning of the year, we have been mainly below this moving average. Of course, for a couple of weeks, we were above this moving average, but at the moment, I would say that the market is moving sideways and it is consolidating. The price is consolidating at this 1 month or 30-day moving average. If we add the 90-day moving average, the picture is almost the same. The price has been mainly below this moving average as well since the beginning of the year. At the moment, it is at this moving average. That's why this is a small, let's say, confirmation or sign that the market is consolidating. Both moving averages are heading sideways. The price is consolidating or fluctuating at this moving averages. That's why I would say that in the short term and in the mid term, we have some consolidation signs. However, if we add the 1 year moving average, or for the period of 360 days, we see that it is still heading upwards. So the uptrend continues, so the bull market continues according to this moving average. And of course, this is the key support at the moment for the price. So if we see some kind of pullbacks, this is the key support at the moment. The 1 year moving average is at the level of approximately $59 or $60. So this is the key support level in case of some deeper pullback. But I would like to highlight that if the price surpasses these two moving averages and hence we receive a bullish distribution of the moving averages, so this means that at the top should be, of course, the price, then we should have the 30-day moving average, in the middle we should have the 90-day moving average, and at the bottom we should have the 1 year moving average. In this case, we will have a bullish distribution of the moving averages. If the price is above this moving averages, we will receive a bullish signal pointing to potential uptrend renewal, and in this case, I will enter the market. So this is what I'm waiting for. If it takes place, I will enter the market. Next, if we have a look at the 4-hour chart, this is the bullish flag. And it's obvious that we have exited this downtrend here, so this sequence of lower highs and lower lows. And actually, if we have a look at the last part of the chart, we have a potential ascending channel, or this is a potential uptrend. So this is how it looks like. This is the sequence of higher highs, and this is the sequence of higher lows. And I want to highlight that if the price receives enough support at this lower line, and if it rebounds, then probably we will see the next wave of price increase, let's say the next price increase or the next wave within this ascending channel. And if it happens, if we see something like this, I'm pretty sure that, for example, let me change this to the daily chart. In this case, if we have such kind of rebound in the daily chart, the price will surpass all 3 key moving averages, and we will receive this bullish distribution of the moving averages. And in this case, for example, if we have such kind of rebound, we will receive a bullish signal in the daily chart. And definitely, I'm pretty sure that if we switch to the weekly chart, here we will have some kind of bullish candlestick formation. For example, from the lower line of this ascending channel, we will have some kind of bullish candlestick or a bullish engulfing, or some kind of, let's say, trend reversal candlestick that usually occurs at the bottom of some price decline. That's why I'm pretty sure that, once again, if in the 4-hour chart we see such kind of rebound, it will confirm the bullish signs or signals in the heavier time frames as well. So that's it for today, fellas. Of course, I want to highlight that if this support is not enough for the price to rebound, and instead we have a breakout in the downward direction, then this will break this positive channel or bullish channel, and we will receive a bearish signal. That's why we have to keep an eye on the price behavior at this key support line. That's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of AVAX or Avalanche as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.